Good morning, guys. Welcome to your first virtual Wednesday. I hope you guys have learned a lot already about our Google Classroom and some of the things that we might be doing. I hope you guys have been having a lot of fun. You guys get to stay home today. We get to see each other without masks, which is kind of nice. I haven't seen your guys' smiles really, so it's good. It's a good day. I hope that you guys have explored all of the subjects already just about and are understanding everything. Let me know if you guys have any questions. On our virtual Wednesdays, I sent you guys home with a zip folder. You guys might have a blue one, a yellow one, or a green one. Every single Wednesday, inside that folder, you are going to have some login information, which you might need. You are also going to have some hard copies of anything that you might need on this virtual Wednesday or experiment things. Anything that you might need is going to be in that zip up folder. So I need you guys to get that out now if you don't have it. So it should be in your backpack because I made sure all of you guys had it in your backpack yesterday. The first thing we're going to do in science is an experiment. I figured it might be something fun, especially because we haven't been doing too many fun things. We've been talking about a lot of rules and things that we're going to be doing in this classroom and getting ready for these virtual Wednesdays. So I figured it might be a little change up. So before you guys do this experiment, make sure your parents are okay with you doing it. And if they're not, just watch this video. It's going to be super easy. This experiment does involve glitter. So if your parents are not comfortable with you using glitter in the home, do not use it. Glitter gets everywhere and a lot of people really don't like it. So if your parents are not comfortable with it, just watch this video and we can answer the questions together. This is my first time doing this experiment, so it's almost like you're doing the experiment for the first time as well. So make sure that you guys have all of your ingredients and everything as we go along. So you should have out this sheet that says experiment on it. And this experiment is called washing your hands, since we've been talking a ton about that lately. So some of the things that you're going to need are half a teaspoon measuring spoon, but you guys can just use a regular spoon. So I have, for this experiment, this little plastic spoon, which is perfect. That's all you guys need. You need vegetable oil or any kind of oil. Might look something like this. You need glitter, which I gave to you in a little bag. Here I have some red glitter. I think your guys' is blue and greenish. You guys need water. You could just use water out of a faucet. You need soap. This is the soap that I have. It's just an antibacterial, soap that we can use in the classroom. Timer, you guys can just use your phone. If you have a timer laying around, go ahead and use it. And then you guys need paper towels, which you know we have tons of paper towels here. So those are the ingredients that you need to have. So I'm going to give you a second to get those ready. All right. Did you guys go find that? If you did not find it, pause this video. Okay. So what we already know is that on our hands, we have germs. Everybody has germs. It's not a big deal. We just don't want to spread them, right? We know that we can spread germs through our hands and touching things and touching our face, touching others. Germs can make us sick and they can make others sick, which is why we have to wash our hands. We can get rid of germs by washing our hands with soap and water, which you guys know, or using our hand sanitizer and things like that. That's how we get rid of the germs on our hands. Step 1, we have to ask ourselves the question, how long do you need to wash your hands to get rid of most germs? Do you guys know? I know we have said maybe sing happy birthday while you're washing your hands, and then once the song is done, you guys can stop. But how effective is that? Do you guys know? Have you guys ever done this experiment or seen this experiment before? The step 2, which we talked about, is making a hypothesis. Do you guys remember what a hypothesis is? I hope that all of you guys said that it's a smart guess. So the best guess that you can possibly guess based off of background knowledge. What do you guys think? Do you think that washing your hands with soap and water for 5 seconds gets rid of most of the germs? If you think that it gets rid of most of the germs after just 5 seconds, raise your hand. If you think washing your hands with soap and water for